So I finally got all the logs drug in from those white pine. There's 3 white pine that I showed you in previous videos. Yellow pine and some hemlock. Had to order parts for my saw. And that finally come in, so I'm about ready to go. But there's a hemlock log pile, and that's going to give me what I need to finish out my material list for my siding for the new log cabin style workshop. Now here's white pine pile, and some pretty nice logs here. A couple of them are hollow. That's why that tree fell. But this is going to give me more than what I need to finish the ceilings for that same project. But I have some other uses, I think. These will all be cut into boards. They're all 10-foot long logs. And then here's the yellow pine pile that needs cut up yet. And they'll be going into 2x4s, 4x4s that I need for that job, and I'm probably going to need more of them. So we'll get started on the mill here as soon as I get the new parts on. Catch you down there.